Congratulations! You're here because you've taken the first step to a better and healthier you. No matter how big or small your health goal is, Naluri is here to help you achieve it. We've assembled a team of professional coaches to guide and support you every step of the way. They'll work together, combining their expertise to support your physical, emotional, and mental health. And best of all, they'll be there for you whenever you need them, only a chat box away. But that's not all. With Naluri, you now have access to state-of-the-art digital transformation tools which put you in charge of your own health. You'll be able to log, monitor, and celebrate every improvement and milestone on your health journey like never before to stay motivated and to stay the course. Science has proven you are 3 times more likely to achieve your health goals with support than doing it alone. And with Naluri, you have a coach in your pocket you can trust to get you there. After all, your health is your wealth, and your healthier tomorrow starts today.